Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap Polygon to Solana on Phantom Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and then you need to tap on the swap option that would be on the home page. So after tapping on swap, you will be redirected on the swap page where in the UPay section you will see Solana, but in the you receive section you will see USDC. So since we want to swap from Polygon to Solana, you need to tap on the Sol option, but once you tap on the Sol option you won't be able to get the option of selecting any other networks or chains. So what you need to do is you need to first of all tap in the you receive sections drop down menu, and here you need to tap on Polygon in the top. After that you will be able to see Polygon, so you need to first select it. Then you will see this purple icon over here, the cross arrow icon. So you need to simply tap on it, and this way Polygon will be in the UPay section, and in the you receive section you will see Sol. Now you just have to enter the amount of Pol that you want to basically swap into Sol, and then it will show you all of the amount that you need to pay. And here it is showing me that the token amount is too low, so you need to increase the value in order to swap the cross chain. So it will just take some time and show you the transaction fees that you need to pay, as well as all the information relating to this swap. That will look something like this. So here you need to tap on the swap option in the bottom and conclude your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will be able to easily swap Polygon to Solana on the Phantom Wallet. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.